Welcome to MB Tool Reviews. Today we have the review of the Huepar S04CG laser level. Here is a job that I was recently on where I tested out the laser level. You can see it's going 360 degrees around the room. We have four lasers. I've got it mounted on the Bosch laser level pole. As we take a look around the room, you can see how clear this is. This is a very small room, but still, I think it shows the quality of the laser. It's very bright. There's no issues anywhere around the room. Looking at it, you can see it's clear as day. So now we'll take a look at the remote. As you turn it on from the middle button there, then you have your vertical line button there, which turns vertical lines on and off, and then your horizontal for your two horizontal lines. You can have either the top or bottom horizontal line. You can have it vertical only, horizontal and vertical, and all manner of the options in between. You can also have it on pulse mode, and you can change the brightness, apparently, according to the button there. There's a function 1 and function 2 button, which I'm not sure what they do yet. I'm sure it mentions it in the instructions. Okay, let's take a look at the LCD screen. You can see an X and a Y axis there with 0.2 on both of them, and a lock and a battery indicator. I've just frozen a shot so you can get a better look at it. You could also see the horizontal and vertical buttons there as a backup for when your remote isn't working. This would be quite helpful because I actually didn't charge my remote initially before I set up the laser level. Also, the LCD screen there, as I said, the X and Y axis, that helped me to set up the Bosch pole which the laser level is mounted on. I was able to get it nice and plumb, which meant that the laser itself was very accurate all the way around the room. I double checked it with a level and it was spot on. Truthfully, being that it's not one of the bigger brands, I expected it to be less accurate. Results I got from this were surprising that it was so good for something that's not one of the big brands, and I think it's an up and coming brand. Definitely surprised me how good this was. I was expecting worse from it. In comparison with some of the higher end brands, I think this has everything you need for a fraction of that cost. I mean, it comes with a Bluetooth remote, rechargeable batteries, AA battery supplied. You can power it on mains. It comes with a stand. It's got an app. I mean, I show all of this stuff in my unboxing video, but go take a look at that. Anyway, thank you for watching today's video. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below for this tool or any other tools that you want to see on the channel. Thank you for watching.